With this one, we're looking at a poker hand, and it's a 5-card poker hand. In other words, you're receiving 5 cards. And this is from a standard deck of 52 cards. In other words, we're not going to include the Joker, either of the Jokers in it. It's just a normal 52 cards. It says, what is the probability that all 5 of those cards in this hand are all hearts? And so we've got to determine how many heart cards there are and determine how many ways we can get 5 cards of just hearts first. Okay, so if the hand consists of all hearts, we have to remember that there are 13 hearts in a total deck. And we want to see how many ways we can choose 5 of those. So we're going to actually do a combination here. We're going to do 13 choose 5. And here's our combination there, 13 choose 5. And 13 choose 5, when we plug that into our calculator, we find out that it's 1287. Okay, so 1287 now, probability tells us that we want to do the total amount of desired. In this case, this is our desired. These are all hearts, divided by the total possible available. How many possible combinations can we have? So that brings us to our next question. How many possible ways can we have 5-card hands? How many different 5-card hands can we have? And in a normal deck there, in a standard deck, there are 52 cards. So we're going to do 52 choose 5, another combination. 52 choose 5. And if we do that, 52 choose 5, plug that into our calculator, we get almost 2.6 million. Now, so probability is going to be dealing with these two numbers here. Now, the probability says the ways that our desired event can occur divided by the total number of possible outcomes. Our desired event here is 1287. We're going to divide that by 2.6 million. So 1287 divided by 2.6 million, roughly. 1287 divided by 2,598,960. And this one, we'll just round it to the nearest 4 decimals. Nearest 4 decimals will be 0.0005. So we've got to determine the number of combinations that we can have for our desired event, which in this case is 1287, divided by the total number of ways we can get, total number of ways we can get, in this case, 5 different cards.